Welcome to Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I would like to show you excellent dinner idea. Stuffed long pepper, stuffed with crab and shrimps. Let's go start it. I have beautiful long peppers, different colors, and first I will cut in half. Like this. Now I will remove seeds. For stuffed pepper I need small red onion. I will cut this bigger onion to half. Onion is cut, put on the side. Green parsley. Green onion, okay, the vegetables cut. Next step, I will make stuffing. Very simple stuffing: cream cheese, shrimps, crab meat, red onion, green onion, green parsley, bread crumbs, 2 tablespoons, red pepper flakes, a little spice, about half a teaspoon will be enough, 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, lemon, fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon, salt about 1 teaspoon, and fresh black pepper. It's just a good idea to try. It's enough spice. And now I have to combine all these ingredients. This crab shrimp stuffing is done. It's beautiful. You can see lots of colors. That will be excellent. Stuffed long pepper. And we will enjoy this great dinner, healthy and delicious. Next step, on a baking pan, I put the aluminium foil, perfect, a little bit oil. Next step, and the last part, I will assemble this beautiful long pepper. Delicious idea to make something different, and I hope everybody will enjoy, because my family enjoys so much. It's beautiful. You can see it's lots of colors. On the top of my stuffing, a little bit breadcrumbs for extra crunch. You can see this pepper is loaded with delicious stuffing. Looks so delicious already. Stuffed pepper is done. Now I will bake stuffed long pepper in 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure you check them out, and see you soon on my next episode. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego. Bye bye.